When we talk about accessibility in museums, most people immediately think about ramps or barriers. But accessibility is much more than physical access. In this video, I want to talk about accessibility in visitor journeys, how exhibitions can be designed so that different kinds of visitors can actually experience them, not just enter the building. This video is especially useful if you are studying museum studies, exhibition design, or visitor experience. So, what does accessibility really mean? Accessibility means removing barriers. But barriers are not only physical. In museums, barriers can be physical, cognitive, sensory, emotional, linguistic. So accessibility is not a separate feature added at the end. It should be part of the entire visitor journey. An accessible exhibition is not designed for everyone in theory. It is designed for real human differences. Let's connect accessibility to the visitor journey. Remember, a visitor journey starts before entry and continues after exit. So accessibility needs to be considered at every stage. Stage 1. Arrival. Accessibility begins before visitors even enter the museum. Key questions: is the entrance easy to find? Is signage clear and readable? Is information available online in advance? For many visitors, especially those with anxiety, disabilities, or children, uncertainty is a major barrier. Clear communication reduces stress and builds confidence. Stage 2. Entry and orientation. Orientation spaces are critical for accessibility. Visitors should immediately understand where they are, what the exhibition is about, how long it might take. Accessible orientation includes clear maps, simple language, visual cues, staff presence. Visitors feel lost at the beginning, they may disengage before the exhibition even starts. Stage 3. Exploration and movement. This is where accessibility is often most visible. Physical accessibility includes wide circulation paths, seating areas, rest points, but accessibility is also about pace. Some visitors move slowly, some need breaks, some experience sensory overload. Design should allow visitors to choose their rhythm, skip sections without guilt, rest without feeling in the way. Accessibility is about permission, not restriction. Stage 4. Cognitive and sensory access. Accessibility is not only about bodies, it's also about minds. Cognitive accessibility includes clear language, short sentences, logical information structure. Sensory accessibility includes controlled lighting, manageable sound levels, quiet zones. For visitors with neurodivergent experiences, these factors can determine whether they stay or leave. Good design anticipates these needs instead of reacting to complaints. Stage 5. Emotional accessibility. This is often overlooked. Some exhibitions deal with trauma, violence, loss, difficult histories. Emotional accessibility means preparing visitors in advance, offering content warnings, providing reflection spaces. Visitors should feel supported, not overwhelmed. Accessibility also means care. In practice, accessible visitor journeys are created through testing with real users, observation, feedback, interdisciplinary collaboration. Accessibility is not about perfection, it's about continuous improvement. Museums that listen to their visitors design better journeys over time. So, accessibility in visitor journeys is not an add-on, it is a mindset. When museums design for accessibility, they design for empathy, inclusion, and dignity. And ultimately, accessible exhibitions create better experiences for everyone. Accessibility doesn't limit creativity in museums, it expands it. Thanks for watching my video, and see you in the next time. Bye!